Hello everyone, my name is Shalomi, and today we are diving into the fundamentals of a balanced diet. Now, as students, we often hear that we are what we eat, but Hippocrates best put it as let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. So, what exactly is a balanced diet? It isn't about restriction, it's a dietary pattern that gives your body the essential macronutrients, micronutrients, and fluids that it needs in the right proportions to keep you healthy and prevent long-term diseases. Now, coming to the three core principles of a balanced diet, we start off with first one, nutrient density. This means choosing foods that give you the most nutrients for every calorie that you consume. Second one, diversity. Eating a wide variety of food groups ensures that you aren't missing out on any specific vitamins. Third one, moderation. It's all about balance, isn't it? It's all about limiting processed sugars, sodium, and saturated fats. Our ultimate goal is homeostasis, keeping our internal system stable and preventing chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes or heart disease later in life. Coming to the macronutrients, also known as the body's fuel, we have three main macronutrients. Carbohydrates. These are your brain's primary energy source. Instead of snacking on sugary snacks, focus on complex carbs like oats and whole grains for steady energy that lasts through a long lecture. Proteins. Think of these as your body's building blocks. They repair tissue and support your immune system. You can get these from lean meats, but also from plant-based sources like lentils, tofu, or Greek yogurt. Fats. Don't fear fats. These are extremely vital for your hormones and for absorbing vitamins like A, D, E, and vitamin K. Try to focus on healthy unsaturated fats like omega-3s found in fish or flax seeds. Let's take a look at the smaller scale, micronutrients. These are our vitamins and minerals. They cause a massive impact to our body, much more than you think. Now, for example, a lack of iron can lead to anemia and fatigue, making it impossible to concentrate. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for your bones, and magnesium helps you sleep better and prevent muscle cramps. We can't also possibly forget fiber and hydration. Fiber stabilizes your blood sugar and keeps your gut microbiome healthy. Aim for about 25 to 38 grams a day. Hydration is the most underrated academic tool. Your body is roughly 60% water. Even a tiny 2% drop in hydration can noticeably impair your memory and attention span. What are the nutritional needs for young adults such as us? As young adults, we are in a second window of growth. This means our brains are still developing and we are reaching peak bone mass. This is why we need B vitamins to handle the stress of exams and plenty of calcium. A great way to visualize your meals is the Harvard Healthy Eating Plate. Try to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits, a quarter with whole grains, and the final quarter with healthy protein. This is the opposite of fast food culture. Fast food is calorie heavy but nutrient poor. In fact, one fast food meal can exceed your entire daily limit of 2,300 milligrams of sodium, leaving you feeling bloated and tired. Meal planning is the most efficient method when it comes to maintaining a healthy, balanced diet. I know what you're thinking. Eating healthy is too expensive. But in reality, whole foods are often cheaper per serving than processed meals. You can save up to 50% by buying staples like brown rice and beans in bulk. Another method you can try is batch cooking on Sundays. By preparing a big portion of any food, for example chicken, to use throughout the busy week. Another method, what you can do, is smart shopping. This is by choosing generic brands and seasonal produce. What you eat directly affects your brain. Simple sugars create a glucose roller coaster of spikes and crashes. For long lasting mental energy, use my favorite actionable tip. Always pair a carb with a protein, like an apple with peanut butter. This keeps your energy levels steady for hours. Finally, let's clear up some myths and misconceptions when it comes to a balanced diet. Low fat is always better. Many low fat products replace fat with added sugar to maintain flavor. Carbs make you gain weight. Excess calories cause weight gain, not a specific macronutrient. Whole grains are essential for energy. Detox diets. Your liver and kidneys are your body's natural detox system. No juice cleanse is required here. The supplement fallacy. Supplements cannot replace the synergistic effects of whole food. Conclusion and key takeaways. Balance is key. No single food is good or bad. The total dietary pattern matters the most. Start small. Focus on adding one vegetable per meal or swapping one sugary drink for water. Consistency over perfection. Aim for the 80-20 rule, that is, 80% nutrient dense foods and 20% for flexibility. Impact. Better nutrition leads to better grades, higher energy, and long-term disease prevention. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.